for I'm a mama kwaba areba Xposed G so Xposed G na de bia me catch yes in no Ghana and beyond, and we are always going to bring you the best, always the best. Whatever is trending, we will bring it to you. If you want you maybe cry and trend yeah, I will say be a wo important as I will say with you I yen a beko fa edi abro wunti eni nyambre ena yete ahanu so enti wunyambre na ohwe so na me so me ka kire say I o Kristo ni de me so wunyankopon enhyira I beni be se numo adwobo mawo enkan ni be se numo adwobo I beni be se mawo eyira nyame enhyira bebre na me sel subscribe so ema me and then I want join me na issue be abedru ene say me sai emre bebre Mukai say emre bi etwem kakra later part of this May and abranti bi a woye Pentecost church member oye taxi driver na eye me say maami bi a oton odi dwa e wo krom eja sika bi 8,400 cedis bi e de to ne car mu na odi se sika yi eto ne car mu na bema yi ohwe ono ani busuum ne ne yere ne ne ma ene taxi oye ne car no kra se ne obi be se aya lata kra akaske e wo se wotam so oti hwehwe maami e no di sika ne ye den e koma no and the man e video yi e be trend ye ne se afede na enipa no this can come no why happy because now why devastated frustrated otumu se maame no eye ne shock eye ne wan say sika ya saba because eye ni dwetire or boka no she is losing everything that she has and ohuma no yo video ne ni age ne ba na video o say bra nyankopon ensure na we na ekoye say sika na nkoye osika ni sika bia na nso obi o market woman no so edwe ni twete wo hwe Ghana okman mu aye din na obi sika yirapa na obi asatama koma ne de come on, this is really what we call integrity and onipa oye loyal and onokwarefo enti we no kra extend ema enipa bi to say Dr. Maud Bawumia extended ni 20,000 Ghana cedi say be ma yi dia waye nyankopon ensure no to the extent say asamoja kra deposit 10,000 Ghana cedis donate the ma be ma yi na efa so a be ma bi abrantie mom nim the girls them a sugar kidi so the 5,000 Ghana cedis the be ma abrantie na we ni na enkofo guso ehye ne din animonyam no osofo a mom nim no oye one of the people we recognize Dr. Lawrence Tete so ka say odun su donate here and o ka say be man ne car no kra enya akono it is wo pese all use different car or no wo beto amana ampa so a odini bosho so eto this Uber cars he be edema brantie edition the man for what he has done and ho empo na Pentecost for so a man he post there was somebody man because what chere say Pentecost here omu preach papa omu chere encheche papa omu chere so omu actually members no the omu preaching no this is a good example yan kote say a Pentecost church member we real sika and our fo bisika edi edwan ni mu no ye wo edwan a omu de omu so de nso odwan we de ensem na ye preachi e wa asore no wotie ba na ende assemben e na abeto asema abeto eno chere say bemai ade a woye ni na enkofo kra refi but ende asema beto say he has won an international award na award na wo win here no say Kwesi Akon, a 37-year-old Ghanaian taxi driver who gained popularity early this year after he returned a tempting of 8,000 Ghana cedis left in his car, has won an international integrity award. Integrity onipa wono obu ne huye in the society or regarding no on esika on se sekenti emanipa di boni bebre o sekenti onipa mbu won ho but you see uyi sikesi nchen but enwoma na wo se uye in life no we shire ho na wo ye it gives you the integrity, you value yourself, and that is what this man did. Now we know join news for and a debate and I say according to Joy News, the young man was presented with an Integrity Award at the Global 28 COE Credentials of Entrepreneurship Award 9th in Accra. During the weekend. Akon is reported to have declared his intention to be an ambassador of integrity to educate the youth on why they must uphold the virtue in his view. Such a campaign go a long way to address social vices and corruption among the youth. Inti award here I did my bema say won't say your society no young colana and ye catching penifone said they are corrupt people. They be young colana said ye penifone are corrupt. But young colana the penifone and you know yesuya a hon chireni and yoma air cost or mining ama and youth no and your man was say and they are doing it because some social vices be chronobo and then you to know you're indulging into betting. We are not even betting responsibly. Send will be back betting in your body over say and kofu ria a juma musika yanam granny atete a sorry elders. Utumi fa sorry sika no dia akotwa bet na edi wasɛn ho akonfo enwoma utumu sa odwe wan nyansa bia ye de enim krono nti you to be ehun se minister yi ebo krono nso wase otro ni support e de ama sa minister no. So at the end of the day no obeme ye say ya man he is holding as an ambassador of integrity saying you obey youth corruption youth no obey corrupt mind every and so because youth na ye de o now so ye de ye corrupt say we are sport brats obi besie yen kra na ye kan na boni akiti ayeye aye benyini edu bebi ayeye no shen na ye ayeye de ye mu kutene it bema yi kire say with what he has done award no he is being held as an ambassador to help in helping the youth to run away for what they have seen a friend social bad vices no any corruption among the youth we are very corrupt yeti yebetuma yedede yeba beka betumi de akofo ado pa wo miansem obi ayese nanso yankasa sikasem si wo yankasa ye youth ni entema etwesikan like we want to cheat ourselves. The American, you the youth who is watching, you know what I am talking about. Yankasa ye boy who chrono, and this is what we always do. Into Bema say, come on, only ya born ambassador, ya born abaso, but ya born abaso there, then you will use this platform and this opportunity now obey advocate outside for people to run away from social vices and corruption. Because the youth, you know, or come TNT, opinion be Bema 10,000, 20,000, 5,000, be able to the extent say it me more be 100 cities. 100 cities to be to me konya police station, Bonnie Kwa Braniasum because of 100 cities. A people to make us say these people just buy alcohol for them, just buy them with money. And it is time we have to rise against all those stuffs. But way and will be baby sir. I am make economy a womb and will be just 10,000 Ghana, even just 1,000 Ghana cities for okay. Obey. Right now, a friend who is a close friend and it was even on my status. Eja, I think, Efa Uber. Now, all send this canon, na obi aye delivery. Manuiti, obi o train delivery, no. Na Uber ran so to can it was send this canon, emane broso ma Uber driver. Just Uber driver. It is if you bet 20 cities or 2 baby, I can 1.5 because no himself, or 2 na de na wato online. Uber driver ne call and one but that posse. Obey den, obey friend, or friend so sika no fast, or empty office. Na boy na withdraw sika no efini mobile money. Obi a oye Uber, oye adwuma, o making money o. One phone sika ni ya send ya ko mobile money no. We yi wakoto petrol aye de obey. And the person has to call him now after they report him Uber for no and obey friend madam for no catch say I or no they call mobile money to the two or no mate or mo there. It's now I stranded they also top petrol. You see? Oshe boy na Uber ni no ka onya kronfo but I feel say he has to take advantage of that because corona is she. Iti with send nyoma ekoso man e ma ye live below our integrity. We are living below the belt of our life. And no na youth na wo oman no iti be mai otumu say ya shene anyonyam after all the posts aye de amano na me catch say aha ena me de wo ebesi me nua bema me nua ba me jano me ma me no se o hweme a share video no na comment e ma me kire wo so wadwen say still ya hu e kire but we should still hold up our integrity as the youth of this country and stay away from social vices and corruption. Aha ena me de mu ebesi me me de djumede ebro on sama catcho me de limo elekem kwa me ameka me say eya frame efo kent me so I benia ontini crew kasa aha ena me de mu ebesi that sende ebesi shia bye bye.
Oniadofo de ne wo how de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan na wasie wie na wo penchensen papa de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwunu enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam ne true things ebie wo mo ensem de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo so wo how no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubu sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo age wo mo atum ne true things ana wo mo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu de biara eda